Hello team. So this is the real estate website which I'm going to show you now. So this is the front end. So here you can your user can easily search property by searching the area. So here they can search by city, state. They can check all city and they can search and they can filterize as well what details they require. Okay, then we have some hand-picked project for you, like which product we have already added here. So that data will also come here. You can check, you can explore more things, and then you can do it. So here you can check some data. If you click on any property, then property will open. I think we already disconnect that property. Okay, I think we disable that page. No issue, but you can check that property data here. Then our top developers collections for you. Okay, here you can check our agents, or here you can set up your own pages. Here you can check all agents data who are listing their property. So that data will come here. You can check, or you can update, or you can manage your data easily. Your property status are for sale, resale and all. If we click on a for sale, so I filterize for sale and I will get data here. Then we have contact us, view map we have. Okay, here you can check by locations. Here you can search, you can check your property ID, minimum area or maximum area, what is this? Or here you can check price range and then you can easily search. Okay, then we have a blog, contact details, then you can easily log in or you can easily log in with your Facebook as well. Currently we disable register option, but there is a register option here. When we click on a login, then you will get register page here. Okay, now let me show you the backend. So this is the backend which is built on WordPress, which I'm going to show you. See, now I will log in, so I refresh my front page as well. Just allow me a few seconds. See, if I want, here you can check like your property, save searches, invoices and all. If I want to add any property, then I will go for a critical listing and then I can do. Okay, then just seconds. I think my internet is not working properly, that's why it's not opening. But here you can check data. Then let me show you backend. So here you can check backend data. Here you can check real estate options. Here you will get all property data and all. Here you can check the all property which is live. That data will come here. You can check image, price, feature and all. Here you can check the title. You can add and delete. If you want to add any property, then you can add multiple property. Okay, here you can add your property. Just add the title and some data like resale or rent price, second price and all. Here you can set up some details. Here you can add type, status, feature, country, state, these details, and you can add multiple property. Okay, then we have like type, status we can set up, so your user can easily just select that type and all, and they can add their property. Then we have a packages. So here you can set up your packages, what package you are offering. So your vendor can easily buy any package from you, or they can use your solution to listing their property. Okay, here you can add some data, then they can easily manage that. Then we have invoices, so which you can manage invoices. So if you buy any package, then that invoice will come here. Okay, then we have a user data, so all user data will come here. All user data you can check, you can edit, delete, you can send password, reset details and all. Okay, or then we have other options like payment gateway and all. We will set up according to you which payment gateway you want to use. Okay, currently this is a complete demo which I already show you. So if you have any doubts, query, then you can contact with us, or if you have any query, so you can share with us, so we will help you in that. Thank you.